Namo Namah students. Let's discuss the Adarsha Uttar Patrika of Sanskrit Composite, which is of 20 marks. Here we have the first section, that is Prathamah Vibhagah Sugama Sanskritam for 4 marks. The first question is Prashna 1a Chitram Drushtva Namani Likhata, where in the question paper 3 pictures are given and we have to write their Sanskrit names like this. The first answer is Payasam, second is Svedakah, third is Madhura. We have to write these words like this. Second question is Prashna 1a, that is Sankhyaha Aksharaihi Ankaihi Va Likhata. Teenatah 2, where the first number is given 58, we have to write its Sanskrit name, that is Ashtapanchashat. Now second number is Shannavati, which means 96. So we have to write 96 in Devanagari font like this. The third question is 64. So we have to write its Sanskrit name, that is Chatushashtihi. Now students, our next question is Stambha Melanam Kuruta. We have to match the samaya, that is timing, which is given in words and in number. The first question is Vimshatyadika Saptavadanam, which means 720. So we have to write this 720 like this in Devanagari font. The second question is Padona Panchavadanam, which means 445. So we have to write again 445 in Devanagari font like this. Now next question is Gadyam section, Dvitiya Vibhaga Gadyam section, where the passage of lesson 4 Saeva Paramanu is given. The first question is Avabodhanam Ka Uchitam Karanam Chitva Vakyam Punarlikata. Pita Arnavaya Tandulan Anitum Adishat, which means father ordered Arnav to bring Tandulan, that to bring rice grain. Yatah, because. Now two options were given, but the right option is Tasmai Paramanu Nama Kim Tat Sah Spashtikartum Ichat, which means father wished to explain him what is Paramanu, what is atom. Now the second question is Kha, that is Kaha Kam Vadati, who said to whom. The question is Etad Vishwam Paramanubhyah Nirmitam. Now students, we know that this sentence is told by Pita, that is father, to Arnav. So we have to write its uttaram like this. Pita Arnavam Vadati. We know the rule of Kahakam Vadati, that who said, that we have to write in Prathama, and to whom said we have to write in Dvitiya. So the answer is Pita Arnavam Vadati. Now students, our next question is Purnavakyena Uttaram Likhata. Answer in full sentence. The question is Arnava Kim Drushtva Chakita. Arnav क्या देखे सरप्राइज हो गया. The answer is Arnavah Japa Kusumasya Paragakanaanam Rachna Drushtva Chakitah. Arnav became surprised seeing the structure of pollen grains of hibiscus flower. Now the students' next question is Sukshmekshikaya Paramanu Drashtum Shakyate, which means one can see an atom by using the microscope. Now we know that it is false. So we have to write Asatyam here like this. Now students, our next question is Shabda Jnanam. The question is Dve Sambodhan Vibhaktehe Rupe Chitva Likhata. Now we know that in the passage these two words are in Sambodhan Vibhakti. So we have to copy those words like this. Pitah Arnav. But before that we have to write the question part. Dve Sambodhan Vibhaktehe Rupe. Then we have to add dash here, and then we have to write the answer words. Now, students, the next question, that is kh, is Visheshanam Vishesham Talika. So we have to draw the same talika like this, which is given in the question paper. Then Sukshmaha, Lagu, these two words are given, which are the Visheshanani. We have to find out its answers from the passage. So let's see Sukshmaha word in the passage. Now students, see that Sukshmaha word is given here. Kiyanta Sukshmaha. See, Kiyantah Sukshmaha Tasya Paragakanaha. So here the answer word is Paragakanaha. So we have to write the Paragakana here in the box Vishesham. The next word is Lagu, which is in the last line. Lagu, Lagu Bhagaha, Tandulaha, Tandulaha Lagu asti. So we have to write the word Tandula in the answer paper like this. Now students, next question is Sandhi Vigram Kuruta. The question is Tatheti. We know the answer is Tatha plus Iti. We have to underline the both words, Tatha and Iti. The students are next Vibhag, that is Tritiyaha Vibhaga, is Padyam, which is based on poetry section. So after reading Shloka, we can identify the answers of this question. Now, question is Purna Vakyena Uttarata, that is answer in full sentence. Erandaha Putra Drumayate, where the castor seed plant is considered as a tree. So answer is Erandaha Nirastha Padape Deshe Drumayate. In a country where there are no trees, there Erandaha, that castor seed plant, is considered as a tree. So our answer will be Erandaha Nirastha Padape Deshe Drumayate. We have to replace the word Putra by using the answer words. That is Nirastha Padape Deshe. The students will get this answer words from the shloka. Now next question, Kha is Visheshanam Vishesham. Again we have to draw the same talika which is given in the question paper. Now first word is Shlagyaha and the Vishesham for that is Alpadihi. The second word is Nati Vakta and the answer word is Uttamaha. Now students, the next question, Gha is Sandhi Vigraham Kuruta. Question is Alpadhirapi. Now students, we know that wherever there is Ra in the joining, that Ra will become Visarga. So the first word will become Alpatihi plus a P, because Ra will become Visarga, which is followed by A. So Alpadhirapi is equal to Alpadihi plus a P. Again here, while completing Sandhi Vigraha, we have to underline the answer words. Now students, next question is Jala Rekha Chitram Purayata. So we have to draw the same diagram which is given in the question paper, and then we have to fill up the boxes. Now here the first answer is Nigarshanena, second answer is Chedanena, Tapena, Tadanena. Kanaka Pariksha, the word is given. Kanaka Pariksha means the test of gold. Now we know the test of gold occurred only in by four methods: by rubbing, by cutting, by hitting, and by hammering. So by rubbing के लिए word है निगर्षणेन, by cutting means छेदनेन, by hitting means तापेन, and by hammering, that is ताडनेन. Now all these words will get from the shloka. Now students, the next question is Prashna 3A, Padde Shuddhe Purane. cha likhata, where we have to write the shlok same as given in the textbook without any spelling mistakes and without any grammatical mistakes. So here the first shloka is तावद् भयादिभेतव्यं यावद् भयमनागतम् आगतं तु भयं वीक्ष्य नरः कुर्याद् यथोचितम्. Now students, if you want to underline the blank part, then you have to underline like this without cancellation. Second shlok is यादृशं वपते बीजं क्षेत्रमासाद्य कर्षक सुकृते दुष्कृते वापि तादृशं लभते फलम्. We have to attempt any one of these two for 2 marks. Now students, our next vibhag, that is Chaturtha Vibhaga, that is Bhasha Abhyasa, where the first question is Pruthak Karanam. Let's see that question in question paper. See here, the first question, Kriya Padani Dhatu Sadit Visheshanani Cha Pruthak Kuruta. So we have to draw the same talika which is given in the question paper. First column is Kriya Padam, second column is Dhatu Sadit Visheshanam. Now we know the endings for Dhatu Sadit Visheshanam, that is one, an, a. So here the word niyante is Kriya Padam. The word Krutavan, which is ends with one, is Dhatu Sadit Visheshanam. Then again Janate, te is Kriya Padam. Then Vachan, unending, that is Dhatu Sadit Visheshanam. And Bhokshase, which is say, is Kriya Padam. So we have to write its answer like this. In Kriya Padam column, we have to write Niyante, Janate, Bhokshase. And in Dhatu Sadit Visheshanam, we have to write words Krutavan and Vachan. Now the next question is Nirdishtaha Kruti Kuruta, where the do as directed. Both questions are compulsory. First question is Samasa Vigrahanam Samasanamabhi Saha Melanam Kuruta. So students, here we have to just match the column, match the answer. The first question is Pustakasya Patanam. Now the first word is ends with Sya, which indicates Shashti Vibhakti. So its answer is Shashti Tatpurusha Samasah. Now next question is Sukshma Kana, which is adjective noun. So we know adjective noun combination is always comes in Karmadhare Samas. So its answer is Karmadhare Samas. The next question is Na Ichha. Now students, we know whenever Vigraha begins with Na, it is always Nai Tatpurusha Samasa. So its answer is Nai Tatpurusha Samasa. Now next is Mahan Bhagaha Yasya Saha. Now students, we know whenever the Vigraha ends with Yasya Saha, it is always Bahuvrihi Samasa. So its answer is Bahuvrihi Samasa. Now next question is Padaihi Pibati Iti. Now we know the rule for Iti. Iti always indicates Upapatat Samas. So here the answer is given in front of it. Upapatat Purusha Samas. Paragasya Kanaha. Now students, again the first word is ends with Sya. So its answer is Shashti Tatpurusha Samas. Now you can see here Shashti Tatpurusha Samas is given twice. So we can write this answer for this both question first and for the sixth one. So we have to copy, or we have to write this answer like this by making column. Pustakasya Patanam dash Shashti Tatpurusha Samasa, Sukshmaha Kanaha dash Karmadharaya Samasa, Na Ichha dash Nai Tatpurusha Samasa, Mahan Bhaga Yasya Saha Bahuvrihi Samasa, Padaihi Pibati Iti, it is Upapatat Purusha Samasa, Paragasya Kanaha Shashti Tatpurusha Samasa. Now our last question is Yogyam Paryayam Chunuta, which is for 2 marks. First question, Balaka Shastrani Aditava. Now in question paper, 2 options were given, that is Kartruvacham and Karmavacham. Now seeing the word balakah, we can easily identify that the word balakah is in prathama vibhakti, and whenever the subject is in prathama vibhakti, the answer always is kartruvacham. So here we have to write the answer like this. We have to copy the sentence first, and below that we have to write uttaram kartruvacham. Now the next question is, which is fill in the blanks. Tvam atmanam mrutavat dash. Now two options are given, sandarshaya and sandarshayatu. Now students, we know to find out the proper answer, we have to see the subject of this question, that is tvam. So now whenever the subject is tvam, we have to write the kriyapad which is without ta. So the answer is sandarshaya. Now third question is, now students, before that see the answer of the second question. Tvam atmanam mrutavat sandarshaya. We have to underline the sandarshaya word. Now next question is, dash bhagam kartum shakyate va. Now two options are given, lagutara and lagutaram. Now look at the word which is next to blank, that is bhagam, ending with ma. So the right answer is lagutaram, which is ends with ma. So we have to write its answer like this, lagutaram bhagam kartum shakyate va. We have to underline the word lagutaram, which is the answer. So students, we have completed the Adarsh Uttar Patrika. Dhanyavadaha.